Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best mini ofrenda is probably one of the most meaningful ways to celebrate Día de Muertos. This video will guide you through creating a beautiful and respectful mini altar to honor your loved ones. We'll cover essential elements like photos, candles, marigolds, and favorite foods, ensuring your mini ofrenda is both visually stunning and deeply symbolic. Number 5. WILLBOND Day of the Dead Decorations. Get ready to celebrate Día de Muertos with this decoration set. It includes vibrant marigold flower heads and beautiful monarch butterflies. They are perfect for adding a festive touch to your home. The package comes with 50 orange marigold flower heads and 12 monarch butterflies. This complete combination provides everything you need for your party or festival decorations. It's easy to create a stunning display. The flowers are made of soft silk, and the butterflies use PVC and magnets. These materials are designed to be durable and reusable. Please keep them away from children and pets due to the magnets. These decorations can be used in many ways. Use them for headbands, Christmas ornaments, or DIY projects. They are suitable as table centerpieces, photo props, and more. Each marigold is about 2 inches in diameter, and the butterflies are about 4.7 inches. The size is just right for various uses. They will make your decorations look amazing. The butterflies are magnetic, so you can easily attach them to metal surfaces. Foam adhesive is also included for other surfaces. This makes it simple to add charm to any space. What we like. This set provides everything you need to create a vibrant altar, including marigold flowers and monarch butterflies. The materials are designed to be reused, making it a sustainable choice for your celebrations. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-use decoration kit that you can use year after year, you should consider this one. What people say. The altar is very well made. The details are beautiful. It is the perfect size. Number 4. Minged 14 Miniature Mexican Fiesta Clay Decorations. These miniature clay decorations are handmade by Mexican artisans. They are perfect for adding a touch of authenticity to your Day of the Dead altar or Cinco de Mayo celebration. Food and other offerings are essential for Day of the Dead. These miniatures are ideal for creating a small, meaningful ofrenda. They are a great way to honor loved ones. Use them for school projects, arts and crafts, or as party favors. They're also great for playtime. The decorations add a creative touch to any event. The set includes miniature versions of your favorite Mexican foods. You'll find items like pan dulce, tacos, and more. They're perfect for a festive display. These decorations will enhance your party decor. They'll impress your guests at your Cinco de Mayo or Mexican fiesta. The designs and colors may vary. Each piece is approximately 4 centimeters in diameter, making them easy to use. They are crafted with care by Mexican artisans. The unique designs and colors add charm. What we like. These miniature food offerings are perfect for adding authenticity to your ofrenda. Each piece is handcrafted by Mexican artisans, ensuring a unique touch. If you are looking for a way to add traditional Mexican delicacies to your altar, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I loved how authentic these mini foods look. The item is as described and a great addition to my Day of the Dead altar. Everything arrived without damage and had great detail. Number 3. Mexican Día de los Muertos decorations. Get ready to celebrate Día de los Muertos with this complete decoration set. It includes everything you need to create a festive and memorable atmosphere for your party. This set includes 100 faux marigold flowers, 12 Mexican plastic banners, and 20 hanging swirl decorations. They provide a variety of decorations to meet your party needs. The faux marigolds are made of silk cloth, and the banners and swirl decorations are made of plastic. They are lightweight and not easy to fade, ensuring they can be used for a long time. These decorations feature classic Day of the Dead elements like skulls and guitars. The bright and vibrant colors will make your party charming and impressive. These decorations are perfect for your home, garden, theme parties, carnivals, and Mexican-themed events. They will make your Día de los Muertos party a lively occasion. What we like. This set includes a large number of faux marigolds, along with banners and hanging swirls, creating a festive atmosphere. The decorations feature classic Day of the Dead elements, making your party charming and impressive. If you like to create a lively and colorful environment for your celebration, you should consider this one. What people say. The altar is very well made. The details are beautiful. It is the perfect size. Number 2. WSSROGY 3.5-foot artificial marigold flowers. These beautiful marigold flowers are perfect for Day of the Dead celebrations. They are vibrant and colorful, and will add a festive touch to any altar or decoration. You'll receive a generous pack of 50 artificial marigold flowers. This ensures you have plenty to create stunning garlands or decorate your space. Each flower features a large diameter, making them visually striking. The bright orange color is a classic choice for Día de los Muertos. These flowers are ideal for crafting marigold garlands. Their realistic appearance and easy-to-use design make them a great choice for your DIY projects. Use them to decorate altars, create centerpieces, or add a touch of color to any space. They are a versatile decoration for your Day of the Dead celebrations. What we like. These marigold flowers have a large diameter, making them stand out. The realistic appearance adds authenticity to your decorations. If you are looking for flowers to create a beautiful garland, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The altar is very well made. The details are amazing. It's the perfect size for a small space. Number 1. El Día de los Muertos Classic Decor Kit. This kit includes a beautiful, unique 4.5 hand-painted ceramic skull. It's a key element for your Day of the Dead altar, adding a touch of tradition and artistry. Inside, you'll find an easy-to-follow guide. It explains the altar elements needed and how to set up your ofrenda, following ancient Mexican traditions. This kit contains all the essential elements for your Day of the Dead altar: shredded paper, copal incense, candles, and a palm-woven pet. You just need to add water and salt. Setting up is easy. Just open the worm-shaped decorations and hang them around your altar. The symbolic flowers come with instructions for unfolding. With the multicolored flags, symbolic flowers, and shredded paper, you can create a beautiful and colorful space. It's perfect for honoring your loved ones. Use this Día de los Muertos altar to honor your deceased loved ones. It's a meaningful way to celebrate their memory and the traditions of the Day of the Dead. The kit also includes an easy guide. It shows you how to set up a traditional Day of the Dead altar, following Mexican traditions. What we like. This kit includes a beautiful hand-painted ceramic skull, a centerpiece for your altar. It comes with all the essential elements and an easy-to-follow guide, making setup simple. If you are a beginner or want a hassle-free setup, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Each piece is handmade and picked very carefully so all together match perfectly, bright colors, excellent quality, many pieces. This came perfectly packed. You have everything you need to display a Día de los Muertos altar. The skull is beautifully painted, the papal picado is so pretty, the bright colors, candles, incense, a woven basket, the traditional marigolds and a placemat. All made in Mexico. This kit was perfect. It had everything I needed and was so easy to assemble. The quality of everything in the box was perfect, not cheap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.